Hello guys, today I will show you how to make money on Fiverr without any skill. In this video we will cover the mockup service on Fiverr, like this one and this one and this one. So let's see how you can do that. First you have to create Fiverr account, then start service about mockup. You can use previous example to create your gig. Now to give a service, all what you need, just go this website, I will drop it in description. Then search for free mockup, you will get so many mockup. Let's use this one. Now just click on upload and select your client design. And also you can change color of mockup. And here is the result. Now just click on free download to get your result. That's exactly what do so many sellers on Fiverr, as you can see. So guys, don't forget subscribe.